kolo sa kanang English sa kolo. Ang English kay breadfruit. This is a breadfruit.
You know this one? You ate breadfruit?
Oh, it's so yummy.
If you eat,
It's very yummy.
how to eat yummy? How to eat the yummy? Na.
No.
Do.
This is a breadfruit. It's labay-labay today.
Steam this one. This is steam breadfruit. This is hinug. I don't know what is the English in the hinug.
Hinug?
Right?
Huh? Oh, this is a breadfruit ripe.
Ripe.
Huh?
Ripe.
Ripe.
Ripe and
Ubi ripe. Ripe. Ubi ripe. Ubi ripe naman yung prutas, oh.
it's very